Do you feel like losing weight is a constant struggle in your life? Do you feel like no matter what you do, the weight always returns when you go back to eating a normal diet? If so, pay attention, because you're about to discover 5 little-known, fat-burning foods that fire up your metabolism and get you burning fat fast. Eat these fat-burning foods daily to lose weight without exercise. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of healthy fats and protein, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also being low in carbs, which will keep insulin levels down and fat burning up. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a tropical oil that is a miracle for boosting metabolism. The healthy fats improve and support overall metabolism function, making you burn more fat throughout the day. It also carries a lot of extra benefits alongside weight loss, such as improving dental and skin health. 3. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a great fat-burning food as it regulates and controls insulin levels, so that fat storage is kept to a minimum. The higher your insulin is, the less your body is able to burn stored fat for energy. 4. African red tea. This little-known red tea is a godsend for women who want to lose weight and burn fat fast. It tastes great, puts a stop to hunger cravings, especially sugar cravings, and eliminates harmful toxins from the body that cause increased fat storage and prevents body fat from being broken down and used for energy. To learn more about this little-known African red tea, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/red-tea-detox to watch the free detox video, or click the link in the description below. 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale have a high iron content, which supports oxygen transport throughout your body. This means that your body is better able to oxidize, break down, stored body fat for energy, due to the increased oxygen transport. Eat lots of low-carb leafy green salads to get your body burning fat fast. You will also notice an increase in energy as well as overall vitality when you include an abundance of leafy greens into your daily meal plan. Eat these 5 fat-burning foods on a daily basis to kickstart your metabolism and burn fat fast. If you're serious about burning your stubborn body fat fast, and would like to discover the one veggie you need to stop eating to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours, then go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free-video. Or click the link in the description below. Inside this free video, you will discover how Sharon, a 43-year-old overweight mom from St. Louis, Missouri, dropped 41 pounds of stubborn belly fat by cutting out one veggie from her diet. To watch the free video, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free-video. Or click the link in the description below right now.